This video will help you an easy unboxing and installation of Easy Retriever IR system. Instrument is shipped in wooden crate with the serial and model number labels. Unscrew from top side with help of Phillips screwdriver and remove the wooden plank. Instrument and accessories placed in the same box. External packaging is removed using appropriate tools. Remove the carton box with the help of 2 straps. Cut the strap. Remove the packaging material and accessories boxes. Remove the instrument from the carton box with the help of strap. Instrument is kept on a level surface. Cut the strap and gently remove the safety packaging. Open the Easy Retriever door to place the tanks. Remove the masking tape from the knob. Fill the tanks with 280 ml of Biogenex Easy R solution. Use the digital multimeter and make sure the neutral to earth voltage should be less than 2 volts. Easy Retriever IR system is with 110 voltage. Connect directly to the raw power wall socket rating of 16 amps. Note: never connect to the UPS supply or external power strip. Follow the instruction note which is placed on the Easy R system. Turn on the Easy R system.